Sa loob ng halos isang taon, sa screen ko lang nasusubaybay ng bawat paggising niya. Now, finally, ako na ang unang bubungad sa kanya bawat umaga. There wasn't anything extraordinary about this morning, and that's exactly what made it special.
Sino yan?
Wow! Aga mo magising? Oo! Aga mo gising yan? Ha? Upo! Nalakad ka yung dada mo? Ay, nalakad ka yung dada mo? Dito yung mukha mo? Oh.
Sa New York, para kang laging may hinahabol. Trabaho, oras, commute, paulit-ulit. Pero pag uwi ko rito, parang bumagal ulit yung oras. At dun ko na-realize kung gaano ko na-miss yung mga simpleng araw na to.
Clap muna. Where's the camera? Oh, yun, yung camera. Oh, yun. Where's the airplane? Where's the airplane? Wala pa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, dog. Clap, clap. Clap, clap na. Clap, clap. Yay. Achoo. Achoo. Bless you. Galit. Halika na pala. Halika na.
Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your...
Ay! Saan yung car?
Yeah.
I realized it wasn't the big celebrations that I missed the most. It was the quiet spaces right in the middle of everything. Yung mga tahimik na sandali sa pagitan ng lahat.
Ay, bye-bye! Oh, bye-bye! Wow!
January 1 to February 20.
Where's the light ako? Where's the light?
Sabay, nagpag 100 pa. Ay, show my boss. Yes. Chicken.
Parang ang tagal kong hinintay yung mga moments na to. Pero ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na magkakasama ulit kami.
I went out to trick or treat. I was walking down the street when I saw a jack-o'-lantern clicker, clicker, doodly doodly doo, clicker, clicker, boo.
That's it. That's all, my friends. Is it?
Chomp like a dinosaur, chomp chomp. Chomp like a dinosaur, chomp chomp. Chomp and chomp some more, chomp chomp. Chomp like a dinosaur.
Ay, bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Lumpiang ano.
Tila hindi lumipas ang panahon. Sharing a table again, hearing everyone's stories. It felt like no time had passed.